Yes, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, 1 minute, students. After I'll start class. Join ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 1 minute. Okay, students. I think last class, students. Second exercise. How many problems complete? Fill in the blanks. Yes, help us, students. Second exercise. Fill in the blanks. How many problems? Yes, students.
Second one finish, sir.
Okay, students. Take for next one, student. Continue. Take for third one. Yes, students. A equals minus 18. Friend, n equals 10. An equals 0. And D equal dash. Yes, students. A equal minus 18. N equals 10. An equals 0. But which one you find out, student? D value. Yes, student. Simple concept, student. First to write formula. An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, first to write formula.
Sir, this one you did last class, sir.
Yes, complete for this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem, students. Yes, student. An value how much is there? 0. Equal A value minus 18 plus n value 10 minus 1 into D. D value is not given. You find out D. 0 minus 18 you take this side plus 18 equals 10 minus 1 9 into D 90. Yes, student. 90 equal 0 plus 18 18. So D equals 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. I think D equals 2. See, this one is what answer.
Could you say the chapter name?
Arithmetic progression पर AP. Arithmetic progression. Yes.
Sir,
Selpa.
which man is this, sir?
Second exercise, first main.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students. Okay, students, complete pa?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kelpa?
Sir, day before yesterday you had given the homework, no, sir.
Yeah.
I had doubt in that, sir.
Okay, last 10 minutes I'll discuss that problem. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Yes, students, take for next one. Yes, students, second one, next one. When D equal minus 3, N equals 18, AN equal minus 5, then A equal dash. Then A equal dash. Okay, students, simple concept, students, same formula. Which formula you student here? AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Friend, first to write formula, substitute values. Friend, AN value how much is there? Minus 5. Right here, minus 5 equals A value is not given. If I find out A value plus N value how much is there? 18 minus 1 into D value how much is there? Minus 3. First to write formula, substitute values. Friend, minus 5 equal A plus, friend, 18 minus 1 now 17 into minus 3. Friend, minus 5 equal A multiplied plus into minus minus. Friend, 17 3s are 51. Right here 51. Friend, first sign multiply, after number multiply, student. Minus 5 minus 51 you take this side plus 51 equals A. Friend, A equal 51 minus 6 equal 46. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
Sir, can you repeat once more, sir?
Okay, pa. See, this one is what question. D equal minus 3, N equals 18, AN equal minus 5, then A equal dash. First to write formula, student. Which formula? AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D. Write formula. Substitute values. Nodappa, AN value how much? Minus 5. Right here, minus 5 equal A value. Donkey below A value is not given. As it is, you write. Plus, friend, N value how much is there? 18 minus 1 into D value minus 3. Friend, minus 5 equal A plus 18 minus 1 17 into minus 3. Friend, minus 5 equals A multiplied plus into minus minus 17 3s are 51. Friend, minus 5 minus 51 you take this side plus 51 equals A equal 46. Yes, student, understood, man?
Sir,
I'll give one more question, student. Same concept. D equal minus 2, N equals 12, AN equals minus 10, A equal dash.
A is 12, sir.
Sir, A is equal to 16.
12 correct.
Sir, A is equals to 12.
Very good. Yes, remaining students complete part. Remaining student, any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir,
Helpa.
sir, can you do it? I have got the wrong answer.
Okay, pa same formula pa. An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute values. An value how much? Minus 10 equals A value find out plus n value I think 12 minus 1 into D value how much is there? Minus 2. Yes, minus 10 equals A plus 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into minus 2. Yeah, minus 10 equals A multiply by plus into minus minus 11 2s are 22.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Minus 10 minus 22 you take this side plus 22 equals A. A equal 22 minus 10 equals how much? 12. I think A equals 12. Okay, students. Next one. A equal minus 18.9. D equal 2.5. An equal 3.6. N equal dash. Yes, students. A equal minus 18.9. D equal 2.5. An equal 3.6. But which one you find out, students? N value. Yes, students, simple concept, student. 2 minutes. Listen here. Same formula. An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, student, first to rate formula, substitute values. An, student, An value how much is there? 3.6 equals A value minus 18.9 plus n value, I don't know, if I find out n value. D value how much is there? 2.5. Yes, student, 3. ಯಾರದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so at 3.6 minus 18.9 you take this side plus 18.9 equals n minus 1 into 2.5. Help us to write 18.9 plus 3.6 and Student 18.9,
22.5.
3.6. How much pa?
22.5.
22.5. Friend, divided by how much? 2.5 equals n minus 1. Student, point shifted student. Simple way student. After point one digit is there. Here also after point one digit is there. One digit cancel. Cancel and no point cancel on the 225 divided by 25 equals n minus 1. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2. Again 5 5s are. 5 1s are 5 9s are. 9 equals n minus 1. 9 minus 1 you take this side plus 1 equals n. I think n equals 10. Say this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
Sir, can you do once more, sir?
Okay, pa, first to write formula man. Substitute values. An value 3.6 equal A value minus 18.9 plus n value find out man, n value is not given, n minus 1. D value how much is there? 2.5. 3.6 as it is, minus 18.9 you take this side plus 18.9. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Equal remaining as it is, n minus 1 into 2.5. 3.6 plus 18.9 equals how much? 22.5. ಈ two terms na add ಮಾಡಿ. You got 22.5 divided by how much? 2.5 equals n minus 1. Point shifted student. After point one digit. So here also after point one digit. Digit cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. I think digit cancel means points cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I think 225 divided by 20 equals n minus 1. Today 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2 5 5s are. Again 5 1s are 5 9s are. Right, 9 equals n minus 1. Minus 1 you take this side plus 1, n equals 10. See, this one is what answer. Understood, man?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, students. Yes. Friends, complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, student. I think second exercise first main complete. Now you take second main, students. Right for second main. Choose the correct choice. Choose the correct choice in the following. Choose the correct choice in the following. Choose the correct choice in the following. Second main, choose the correct choice in the following. First one. Second main, first one. Right for question. 30th term of the AP. 30th 30. 30th term of the AP. 10 comma 7, comma 4, dash, dash, dash is 10, comma 7, comma 4, dash, dash, dash is option A 97, option B 77, option C minus 77, option D minus 87. Yes, student. I think second question.
Minus 77.
Good, very good. Student, 2 minutes. Voice mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು. Okay, students. I will do first one same as it is remaining problem, students. Friend, first to find out A value. Friend, A means what? First to term. Here, which one is the first to term? 10. I think that one is what? A value. Next to find out D value, student. D means what? Common difference. I think A2 minus A1. Is second term minus first term. A2 value 7. A1 value 10. Friend, 7 minus 10 equal minus 3. I think D equals how much, student? Minus. Okay, student, use AN formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute values. Friend, A value how much? 10 plus N, the N value how many terms? 30th term. N value 30 minus 1 into D. D value how much is the student? Minus 3. Yes, student, 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. Yes, student, 10 multiplied plus into minus minus 29 3s are 87. Yes, student, 10 minus 87 equals what? Minus 77. I think A30 equals how much? Minus 77. But which one is correct answer? C1 is correct answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
Once again, explain, sir.
Student, this one is what? Question part. Question ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ?
Sir.
Okay. First to find out A value. A means first to term. Here which one is the first to term? 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು first to term 10 ಅದು A value ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next to find out common difference. It is noted by D. D equals A2 minus A1. Second term in the first term the minus ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you got D value. I think A2 value 7, A1 value 10. 7 minus 10 equal minus 2. See, right formula AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D. A value 10, N value is given 30th term. N equals 30 minus 1 into D value minus 3. 10, 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. 10 multiply plus into minus minus 29 3s are 87. 10 minus 87 equal minus 7. Which one is correct answer? C1 is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I'll give one more question, student. Okay, students. Yes, you take for second one, same procedure. 10th term of the AP. 10th term of the AP. 2, 7, 12 dash 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 is option A 47, option B 37, option D 27, option D 57. A same procedure, student, you find out.
Sir, 37.
No, once you check, pa. So check, mad.
Sir, 47.
Very good. 47 correct. Yes. Remaining student, I'll give 5 minutes time.
Sir.
Very good. 47 correct. Yes, the remaining student, 3 minutes. Okay, students. Remaining students complete pass. Second one.
Yes, sir.
Help answer.
47.
Very
47.
good. Students, any doubts? Second one, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ doubts ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, once you solve and show, sir.
Okay, pa, okay. Simple concept, pa. Yeah, first to find out A value. A means what? First term. Yeah, which one is the first term? 2. Next to find out D value. D means A2 minus A1. Second term in the first term na minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I think A2 value 7, A1 value 2. 7 minus 2 equal 5. I think D equal 5. Say formula. An equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula. A value how much? 2. Plus N value is given how much? 10th. 10th term you find out N value 10. Minus 1 into D value 5. Yes, student, 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. Yes, student, 2 plus 9 5s are 45. So and 45 plus 2 equals how much? 47. I think 10th term equals how much? 47. I think A1 is correct. Okay, students. Take for 11th term of the AP. 11th term of the AP minus 3, comma minus 1 by 2, comma 2 dash 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 is option A 28, option B 22, option C minus 38, option D minus 40 and 48 and half.
Minus 38, sir.
No, 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 no.
Sir, 22.
Very good. 22 correct. Yes, try students, try ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, 22.
Very good. 100% correct. 22. Yes, students, second one complete pa?
22.
Very good.
22, sir.
Very good. Very good. 22 correct answer. Good. Yes, students. Some student is fractional ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Same procedure students. Friend, first to find out A value. Friend, A means what? First term. How much is that first term? Minus. Finish pa? Next to find out D value. D equals A2 minus A1. Okay, students. A2 value minus 1/2. Okay, students. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Friend, A2 value minus 1/2 minus A1 value minus 3. Yes, student, minus 1/2 minus into minus plus 3/1. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟಲ್ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ LCM ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ನೋಡಿ, 2 1s are 2, right here 2, cross multiply, 1 1s are 1 minus 1, 3 2s are 6, right here 6. Simple way, right? Denominator multiply after cross multiply. 6 minus 1 equals how much? 5/2. I think common difference equals 5/2. But which one you find out? 11th term. Use AN formula, student. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula, substitute values. Yes, student. A value find out how much is there? Minus 3 plus, student, N value how much is there? 11 minus 1 into D value how much? 5/2. Yes, student, minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into 5/2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Yes, student, minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Yes, friend, 25 minus 3 equals 22. I think A11 equals 22. See which one is correct answer? B1 is correct answer. Yes, student, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, student, I'll give 2 minutes, student. You write. I think second main complete. Second exercise, first main and second main complete. Now we'll start third main, students. Okay. Yes, students, complete pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Yes, student, second main complete. Student, you take for third main.
Yes, sir.
In the following APs, in the following APs, in the following APs, find the missing terms. Find the missing terms in the boxes. Find
First one is 14.
very good. Friend, first one 2 dash and 26. Friend, 2 dash and 26. Okay,
Sir.
students. What part?
Answer is 14, sir.
I 100% correct. Good, very good. Yes, students. I will do first one, students. Same as it is remaining problem, students. Yes, simple way. First term is given, last term is given, but middle term you find out, students. Yeah, first to find out A value. A means what? First term. How much is that first term here? 2. Next to D equal question mark, student. See, D equal A2 minus A1. I think A2 value is not given. D equal question mark. Student, N means what? Number of term. How many terms is given? 1, 2, 3. I think N equals 3. Student, AN value is given. AN means last term. How much is the last term here? 26. Right here, 26. Student, formula is there now. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula, substitute values. Student, AN value how much? 26. Right here, 26. A value 2 plus N value 3 minus 1 into D. D value is not given as it is. When 26 plus 2 you take this side minus 2 equal 3 minus 1 2 2 into D 2D. Yes, 2D equal 26 minus 2 equals how much? 24. Yes, friend, D equal 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. I think D equals 12. Yes, friend, you got D value. Now D value substitute here. First term plus common difference. First two term ke common difference na add madre second term barutte. I think which one is the common difference here? 12. 2 plus 12 equals 14. Second term plus common difference equals third term. 14 plus 12 equals 26. But correct answer of my student here 14. See, this one is what answer. Yes, student, any doubts? Helpa. First to find out D value, student. D value substitute here, you got final answer. Yeah, find out student remaining. Same procedure, students.
The second one is 4.
Middle term, D value 4 correct.
9.
Very good. 9 correct. Yes, I'll give 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, students. You find out second, third, and fourth one.
The second one is 9.
Very good. 100% correct.
Sir, third one difference is 3/2.
3/2 means 1.5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Sir, in
students.
second one, the missing term is 14, no, sir? Second one.
Tell for D value how much?
D value is 9.
No, man. D value 4. Yes, students. Any doubt? Second one. Students, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ doubts ಇದೆಯಾ second one?
No, sir.
Sir, can you do third one, sir?
100% man. Second one complete part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Friend, I will do third one. Friend, 5, 9.5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, student, first to find out A value. A means what? First term. Here, which one is the first term? 5. D equal question mark. See, A2 value is not given, question mark. Friend, N equal number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think N value 4. Friend, AN means last term. How much is there? 9.5. Friend, ಇನ್ನ easy ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ decimal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 9.5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ? 9.5 replace by 9.5. Yes, student. After you write formula, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula, substitute values. Yes, student. A means first term 5. N value 4 minus 1 into D as it is. Friend, AN value is given how much? 9.5. Yes, friend, 9.5 plus 5 you take this side minus 5 equal 4 minus 1 3 into D 3D. Help us, student. 9.5 minus 5.
4 point.
Yes, 4.5 equals 3D. Friend, D equal 4.5 divided by 3. Friend, D equal point shift a student. After point one digit is there, take denominator 1 0. The opposite 1 0 ತಗತ್ತೀರಾ. 45 divided by 30. Friend, 15 2s are 15 3s are. Friend, D equals 3 by 2. 3 by 2 divide ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 1.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I think D value 1.5. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. 5 plus 1.5 equals 6.5. 6.5 ನ ನಾವೆಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು 6.5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Yes friend, 6.5 plus 1.5 equals 8. Friend, correct answer 6.5 and 8. See, this one is what answer.
Sir,
Helpa.
first one -2 0 2 4 is the answer.
Very good. 100% correct. Good. Same procedure if find out fourth one. Yes. Okay, students. I think third one complete. Same procedure do fourth one, student. Yes, students. Okay. Complete for third one. Help us, student. Yes or no? Third one complete.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do fourth one.
-2 0 2 4.
100% correct. Good. Very good. Okay, students. I'll do fourth one, student. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. -4 dash 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 and 6. Yeah, first find out A value. A means what? First term. How much is the first term here? -4. So D equal question mark. Next, N means what? Number of term. How many term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N value 6. Friend, AN means last term. How much is there here? 6. Friend, formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. First to write formula. Substitute value, student. AN value how much? 6. A value -4 plus N value 6 minus 1 into D. Friend, 6 minus 4 you take this side plus 4 equals 6 minus 1 5. 5 into D 5D. Friend, 5D equals 6 plus 4 10. Friend, D equal 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. I think D equals 2. Yes, student, you got D value. Now D value substitute here. First term plus common difference. Minus 4 plus 2 equal minus 2. Again minus 2 plus common difference equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 plus 2 equal 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So correct answer minus 2, 0, 2, 4. See, this one is what answer.
Finished, sir.
Okay, students. Okay.
Sir,
Telpa.
sir, can you solve the second sum in the textbook, sir?
Yeah, 100%. That one is one more method. Second one and fifth one. I think first one, third one, and fourth one method. This method. ಅದು one method ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಓಕೆನಾ
Okay, sir.
first one and third one and fourth one same method but second and fifth one different method. I'll do that one. No problem. Okay, students. Complete for fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
students.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, students. I think remaining problem I'll do next class, student. Don't worry, student. Last class I'll give 6 problems, homework problems, students. First ಯಾರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. Student, doubts ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Help.
Sir, homework sum 14th one.
Help a question.
Root 2,
Okay, root 2,
root 8,
root 8,
root 18,
root 18,
root 32.
root 32. You find out this one is AP or not AP, correct?
Yes, sir.
When by AP, D equals A2 minus A1 or D equals A3 minus A2, D equals A4 minus A3. Friend, A2 value root 8 minus A1 value root 2. Yes, students. See, this one is what, sir? You convert simplest form. 8 ಯಾವ tables ಇಂದ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 4 2s minus root 2 as it is. Yes, student, you tell us square root of 4 equals how much?
2.
Root 2 minus root. Yes, student, square root of 4 equals to root 2 as it is, remaining root 2 as it is. Student, here not given means 1. Tell by here which one is a common?
Root 2.
Root 2 you take outside, student. Remaining what? 2 minus 1. Yes, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into root 2, 1 root. I think common difference equals root. Finish first one. Friend, A3 value root 18 minus A2 value root 8. Friend, 18. Which table pa?
9 2s are, sir.
Good. 9 2s. 8 4 2s. Yes, students. Square root of 9.
3.
3 root 2. Square root of 4 root 2 root 2. Yes, here which one is a common? Root 2. Remaining what, student? 3 minus 2. Yes, student, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into root 2, 1 root 2. I think common difference equals root. Okay, student. A4 value root 32 minus A3 value root 18. Yes, student, square root of 32. Which table pass? 16 twos are?
16 to
Very good. 18 of 9 twos are. Tell us square root of 16 equals how much?
4.
4. 4 root 2 minus square root of 9, 3 root 2. Yes, friend, here which one is a common? Root 2. Remaining 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 into root 2, 1 root 2. Yes, student, common difference. Yes, common difference same is the AP or not AP, student?
It's an AP, sir.
Therefore, it is an AP.
Sir, the next 3 terms.
Next to 3 terms. In case AP is there, right? Next to 3 terms, student, root 8 means 4 twos are 8. Student, which one is a square root number? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, 7 sevens are 49, and so on continue. See, this one is what? Square root number. What is student? 8 ke 4 twos are. 18 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 9 twos ನೋಡಿ 4 ಆಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಆಯ್ತು 32 ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ 16 twos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 16 twos ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 16 ಆಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ next one 25 twos next one student 36 twos
36 twos.
next one student
49 twos.
49 twos okay students 25 twos are 50 36 twos are 72 49 twos are 98 which one is the next to 3 term root 50 root 72 root 98 see this one is what answer any doubt
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Helpa
Sir, for homework we should keep separate book or we can write it in this book only, sir.
separate book pa
Okay.
okay students Helpa any doubt remaining problems
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay students still 2 or 3 minutes is there student today class any doubts
No, sir. No, sir.
thank you student bye student
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.